Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over how to use Postmates promo codes. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and use Postmates promo codes. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So the first thing that we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to go into Postmates. Then you're going to click on your profile icon on the bottom right hand corner. Then you're going to click on where it says promotions. So this is where you're going to be able to see all your available promotions. So as you can see here, I have a $20 off $25 promotion. I have a couple of them actually. And so if you have a Postmates promo code, you can enter the promo code here and then click on add promo. Now, once you've successfully added your promo code, in order to apply it to your next order, you're going to go ahead and we're going to go ahead and add some items here. We're going to click on view cart. So as you can see here, we're actually going to use a different item actually. We'll demonstrate with a restaurant that doesn't have any promo code. So let's try the Great Greek Mediterranean Grill. So for this here, you can see that we have some items added. Our total is above $25. So we're going to click on go to checkout. We're going to click on no thanks to the upsells. Now on this page here, where it says one promotion applied, two promotions available, you could actually go ahead and click on this, and then you'll be able to see which promotion is currently being applied. So we already have the $20 off promotion being applied where the minimum is $25. So you can see here our total ends up coming out to $32 minus $20 equals $18 after fees. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and use the Postmates promo code. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.